Hello and welcome to Chapter 10 of our series on construction law in Malaysia. In this chapter, we will be discussing construction claims and disputes. In the course of any construction project, disputes can arise between the parties involved. These disputes can arise for various reasons, including changes in the scope of work, delays, and cost overruns. It is therefore essential for parties to a construction contract to be aware of their rights and obligations, and to know how to deal with disputes that may arise. In this chapter, we will explore the various acts and regulations related to construction law in Malaysia that can help parties in dealing with construction claims and disputes. Construction Industry Payment and Adjudication Act 2012, SIPA. SIPA is a critical act in construction claims and disputes in Malaysia. It provides for a fast-track adjudication process to resolve payment disputes in the construction industry. SIPA applies to all construction contracts entered into after April 2014. The Arbitration Act 2005 governs the law of arbitration in Malaysia. Arbitration is a popular form of dispute resolution in the construction industry as it offers an alternative to traditional litigation. The Act provides for the recognition and enforcement of arbitration agreements and awards. The Limitation Act 1953 sets out the time limits within which legal actions must be taken. It is important to note that the time limits for taking legal action in construction claims and disputes may vary depending on the type of claim and the applicable law. The Contracts Act 1950 governs the law of contracts in Malaysia. It provides the framework for the formation and performance of contracts, including construction contracts. The Specific Relief Act 1950 provides for the remedies available for breach of contract, including specific performance and injunctions. It is an essential act in construction claims and disputes as it provides for specific performance of construction contracts, which may not be available under the Contracts Act 1950. Payment claims are the most common type of claim in construction disputes. They arise when one party alleges that the other party has not paid them for work done or goods supplied. SIPA provides for a fast-track adjudication process to resolve payment claims. Variation claims arise when one party seeks compensation for additional work or changes to the scope of work. Construction contracts usually contain clauses that govern how variation claims are made and how they are to be assessed. Delay claims arise when one party alleges that the other party has caused a delay in the completion of the project. Delay claims can be complex, and it is essential to have a clear understanding of the contract's terms and the applicable law. Defects claims arise when one party alleges that the other party has failed to meet the agreed-upon quality standards for the work done or goods supplied. Construction contracts usually contain clauses that govern how defects claims are made and how they are to be assessed. Adjudication is a process where a neutral third party is appointed to make a binding decision on a dispute. Adjudication is commonly used in construction disputes in Malaysia, and SIPA provides for a fast-track adjudication process for payment disputes. Arbitration is a process where an arbitrator is appointed to make a binding decision on a dispute. Arbitration is commonly used in construction disputes as it offers an alternative to traditional litigation. If all attempts at dispute resolution fail, litigation may be the final option. Litigation involves taking the dispute to court, where a judge or arbitrator will make a binding decision. The Malaysian courts have a specialized construction court, the Construction Court, which hears construction disputes. The Construction Industry Payment and Adjudication Act 2012, SIPA, also provides for adjudication as a fast-track dispute resolution process. When pursuing litigation, it is important to ensure that all legal and contractual requirements are met. The relevant laws and regulations governing construction disputes in Malaysia include the Contracts Act 1950, the Arbitration Act 2005, and the SIPA 2012. In conclusion, construction claims and disputes are inevitable in the construction industry. It is important for parties to be aware of the various mechanisms available for dispute resolution, including negotiation, mediation, adjudication, and litigation. Understanding the relevant laws and regulations, as well as the terms and conditions of the construction contract, is crucial in resolving disputes in a fair and efficient manner. Thank you for watching this video on construction claims and disputes. We hope you found it informative and it helps you to better understand the legal aspects of construction projects in Malaysia. In our next and final chapter, Chapter 11, we will be discussing the topic of adjudication. Adjudication is an important aspect of dispute resolution in the construction industry, and understanding its process and requirements is crucial for all parties involved in a construction project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and to stay tuned for our next chapter on adjudication. Thank you for your attention and we hope to see you soon.